Tempura Vegetables, Virgin Beach Style, 100 pesos, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog, number 91. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in California because of COVID, but hopefully we'll be there soon at the resort. We have an a la carte menu, and under the vegetable section is the Tempura Vegetables for only 100 pesos, so we hope you'll come by and try it. We're open for business. We're located in Sitio Suba, Barangay Malbago in Daanbantayan, Cebu, about 120 kilometers north of Cebu City. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.
And now for the vegetable tempura sauce. These are the ingredients: garlic, onion, ketchup, soy sauce, water, and of course the cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. We put already the soy sauce and the brown sugar. Good morning everyone. Now I will make a tempura vegetables, and these are the ingredients: carrots, squash, egg, flour, salt and pepper to taste, and of course the oil for frying. In a bowl, I will combine the carrots, the squash, I will put flour, the egg, and I'm going to mix this one. Now it's ready for frying. And now this is the product of our vegetable tempura.
Kapag ako'y nag-iisa, naaalala ka. Kapag naiisip ka,